Hey guys, welcome back to the McKamey Farms Maple channel. We're back up at that old beech tree today. You can see it hasn't improved much, or the situation hasn't improved much up here. We're going to do a little more wood cutting, trying to get this trail open back up. So stick around. We're just going to jump right into it, get the saws fired up, and let's cut some firewood. Thanks guys, we're glad you're here. Okay, we've got about all the loose stuff that I can easily get to cut up. You can see that big dead poplar laying out there in the middle. I think it's time we drag it out of here. It's sitting on this treetop, and it's just limiting what I can get done. So my plan is to get the tractor, our LS XG 3140, and see if we can cut this into some manageable lengths and drag it out of here. I'll show you what we're looking at. Right there. Dead poplar log. I'd say it's probably 30, 35 feet long. Pretty good diameter on it. I don't know how much weight's left in it. It's pretty rotten, but we're going to find out. Let's get the tractor and get up here and see if we can get this drag out of here. tell you what, I'm tempted to try putting one of these on the sawmill. What do you guys think? We'll see. All right, guys, you can see that we got that dead poplar drug out of there. That opened things up a little bit. It also uncovered a lot more brush that we have to drag out of here. So we'll do that, and then we'll get back to cutting some wood. You know, I hate dragging the brush out, really. We've got a maple that come down in the middle too. I think it's time to cut this top out of this maple, drag it out of here, and maybe that'll give us a little more room to work. Let's see if we can get it done. guys, here's what we got. We've cut up this much of the beech, and we've got that maple that fell down in here. We've got it cut up, got some rounds laying down there. We're going to haul those off. There's also an ash right here, and it come down right in the middle of this mess. Also, probably the tree actually brought it down. It's dead, but I'm thinking it's probably still good. You can see the trunk still standing there for about 20 feet. So we're gonna make a couple test cuts on that next time we get up here and see if that's worthwhile to salvage or not. I kind of think it will be, but we'll see. So let's get the mule up here, start loading this stuff up, and get down off this hilltop. Woo, that was quite the afternoon. Got a little more wood brought down from that giant beech. Even got a little hard maple thrown in there with it. It's a beautiful afternoon to be in the woods. I appreciate you guys coming along with me. Before I go, I want to touch on one thing. You may have seen me using this firewood marker. It's just a rod with a magnet on it, sticks on the bar of your chainsaw. I got a washer on the end, and it's 16 inches in length, so that every stick is the same length. Now, I've been cutting firewood a long time, and I'm pretty decent at gauging the length. And the fact of the matter is, my wood stove isn't that particular. If it runs an inch over or 2 inches over, it doesn't care. But I guess it's just the OCD in me, wanting to make everything as accurate as possible. So I bought the stuff to make this actually several months ago. Just a magnet, 1/4-inch rod, and a washer. But like a lot of things, I kind of put it on the back burner. It wasn't a high priority project. I never got around to it. And then I watched another YouTuber, McKamey Farm and Outdoors. And I will try to put a link to his channel down in the video description. You need to check this guy out. He made one of these, and his build was just the inspiration I needed to pull this stuff out and whip up my own. So McKamey Farm and Outdoors. This guy cuts firewood, he runs tractors, he runs chainsaws, he's even building his own sawmill. And he has some mad fabrication skills. If you like what we're doing here, you'll love what he's doing over there. So go check him out. Tell him B&B Farms Maple sent you over there. All right, I'm gonna wrap it up. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. The channel's growing. We're getting there. We're close to 1,000 subscribers. What was that? We'll check that out later. We're close to 1,000 subscribers. We're almost there. We need your help to do it. Tell your friends about us. Drop us a comment. All that stuff matters. Guys, get outside. You've seen what a beautiful day it was here today. And just get outside. Go for a walk. Run the chainsaw. Just get outside. It's good for you. Remember to be nice to one another. Guys, we'll see you on the next video.